In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website using Wix.com. We'll go from opening your Wix account area all the way to publishing your site, keeping things simple and fast. Start by heading to your Wix account and opening the My Sites area. This is your dashboard for everything you build. If you're prompted to sign in, do that first so you can access your sites. From here, click Create New Site to begin a fresh project. When Wix offers an AI assistant, choose Setup without chat. This gives you a straightforward step-by-step setup where you stay fully in control. Next, describe your site. Use a few clear keywords, like the type of business or topic, so Wix can tailor suggestions. Then click Continue. You'll be asked to choose a name for your site. Treat this as a working title. You can change it later. Click Continue again to move on. Now select your site goals. Pick the goals that match what you want to accomplish, such as selling products, showcasing work, or taking bookings, so Wix can recommend the right features for you. Click Continue. You'll see an option to add apps and continue. Apps power features like online stores, blogs, or contact forms. Choose only what you need right now. You can add or remove apps anytime. After that, click Design Site to jump into the creative part. For a quick start, select Pick a template for faster creation. Templates are professionally designed and fully customizable, so choose one that matches your vibe and layout needs. Click Edit to open the template, and if you see another edit prompt, confirm it to launch the Wix Editor. Inside the editor, you can change text, images, colors, and sections directly on the page. Don't worry about perfecting everything yet. Your goal is to get a solid foundation live. When you're ready, click Publish. This puts your website online using a free Wix address. You can connect a custom domain later if you'd like. After publishing, click Save and continue to store your changes securely and finalize the setup. Then click Done to return to your dashboard. That's it. Your website is live. From your dashboard, you can keep refining your pages, update content, and manage apps at any time. Remember, starting with a template and a few essential apps helps you launch quickly, and you can iterate as you learn what your audience needs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with Wix.